Imagine a world without lions, elephants, or gorillas. It's a scary thought, but it's a reality we might face if we don't act now. These incredible animals are just a few examples of the many species that are currently endangered, which means they're at risk of disappearing forever. But what does it mean for a species to be endangered, exactly? Basically, it means that their numbers are declining, and if we don't do something to help them, they might not survive. The main reasons for this decline are usually habitat loss, which is when their homes are destroyed or damaged, pollution, which is when their environment is contaminated with harmful substances, and hunting, which is when they're killed for food or sport. It's a complex issue, but the bottom line is that human activities are often the main cause of the problem. For example, when we cut down trees to build homes or grow crops, we're taking away the homes of countless animals, from birds and monkeys to insects and plants. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are many organizations and people working hard to protect these species and their habitats. Conservation efforts like setting up national parks and wildlife reserves are helping to give endangered species a safe place to live and thrive. And it's not just about the animals. Preserving natural habitats also helps to keep our air and water clean, and even supports local communities. So what can we do to help? Well, for starters, we can learn more about the issue and spread awareness about the importance of conservation. We can also support organizations that are working to protect endangered species by donating money or volunteering our time. By working together, we can make a real difference and ensure that these incredible animals continue to thrive for generations to come. The list of endangered species is long, and it's not just limited to animals. Plants are also at risk, and their loss could have a devastating impact on our planet. The loss of plant species can lead to soil erosion, decreased air quality, and disrupted water cycles, which can have a ripple effect on entire ecosystems. For example, the disappearance of coral reefs, which are home to a vast array of marine life, can cause the collapse of entire food chains. The Sumatran orchid, a beautiful and rare plant species, is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, and its loss could have a significant impact on the ecosystem. Similarly, the destruction of rainforests, which are often referred to as the lungs of the earth, can lead to the loss of countless plant and animal species. The Amazon rainforest, for instance, is home to an estimated 10% of all known plant and animal species, and its destruction could have catastrophic consequences for the planet. The quiver tree, a unique and fascinating plant species, is also at risk due to climate change and habitat destruction. It's not all doom and gloom, however, as there are many organizations and individuals working tirelessly to protect and preserve endangered species. Conservation efforts, such as habitat restoration, species reintroduction, and research programs, are underway to help protect these incredible animals and plants. The California condor, for example, was once on the brink of extinction, but thanks to conservation efforts, its population is now thriving. The mountain gorilla, another critically endangered species, is also benefiting from conservation efforts, with its population slowly increasing due to the hard work of conservationists. These success stories show us that it's possible to make a positive impact, and that our actions can have a real difference. So what can we do to help, on a daily basis, to make a positive impact? By making conscious choices such as reducing our carbon footprint, using public transport or carpooling, we can all contribute to the conservation of endangered species. We can also support organizations that are working to protect these incredible animals and plants by donating money or spreading awareness about the importance of conservation. So let's all do our part and work together to protect our planet's precious biodiversity. If you want to learn more about conservation efforts and how you can get involved, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the amazing work of wildlife conservationists and the impact they're having on endangered species.